How to complete a flight review with RPAS Wilco. To start your flight review mission in the app, open the Mission Selection menu. Here, you can select the type of mission you want to start. Choose Flight Review. Enter a name for your mission and modify the scheduled time if required. You can create and select mission templates, which will automatically fill in the details for you. Let's fill it in manually for now. Select your affiliated flight school and your client. Next, add the pilot, drone, and any other roles required for the mission. Adjust your operational radius and altitude if needed. Then click Edit Location on Map. This opens the map editor. Move the drone icon to the correct location and adjust the pilot icon as needed. Click the plus button to add additional icons, such as people or obstacles, to display on the map. Click the photo button to take a map snapshot, which will be included in your site survey for documentation. When you're finished, click Submit. You will be taken to your mission page, where your new mission will be displayed. Here, you can view the site survey, access mission logs after completion, and complete your checklist. When you start the flight review, click Checklist and select Flight Review. The checklist is used during the flight review and serves as your flight review rubric, with each item aligned with Transport Canada's requirements outlined in TP 15395. As you conduct the flight review with your client, you can follow the checklist and easily mark each requirement as it is completed.